Blue Mountain State, The Rise of Thadland is an upcoming American comedy film, based on Spike TV's Blue Mountain State. It stars Darren Brooks as Alex Morton, Alan Ritchson as Thad Castle, and Chris Romano as Sammy Cacciatore. The film was shot in Wilmington, North Carolina and will follow Alex and Sammy's senior year at Blue Mountain State. In March 2013, Ed Marinaro stated in an interview with Class Act Sports that he was working on a Blue Mountain State film. He continued to hint on Twitter at some behind-the-scenes work being done on said movie. In early March 2014, Paige Kennedy started hinting at Blue Mountain State reunion project on Instagram, Vine and Twitter along with Darren Brooks, Kelly Kruger, Alan Ritchson, Sam Jones III, Frankie Shaw and Romansky. On April 8, 2014, Blue Mountain State, the movie was officially announced. On April 15, the production launched a Kickstarter campaign, much like the hugely successful 2013 campaign by Veronica Mars to get the cancelled show made into a feature film. The project's goal was to raise $1.5 million by May 15 in order to fund the film. There were rewards for donating to campaign, such as personalized tweets from the cast for donating $10, shot in pint glasses with the BMS logo, $20, and a speaking role in the film for a $10,000 donation. On May 11, 2014, the Kickstarter goal of $1.5 million was reached. On May 15, 2014, the Kickstarter campaign ended, with the final funds raised being $1,911,827 from 23,999 backers. On December 14, 2014, Alan Ritchson tweeted that filming had completed. Darren Brooks announced the film is scheduled to be released in September 2015, and that Lionsgate would be doing the distribution. The movie will be free. Writer and producer Eric Falconer said the film originally received an NC-17 rating from the MPAA, but certain scenes were edited in order to get the film down to an R rating.